my next video, I'd like to do one on the gallery app and how to make it more efficient, add some extra functions, take away some battery draining, and just make it an overall better app. There's 3 or 4 settings that I'm going to go over with you, so let's just dive right in, as I like to say. So let's go into settings, and you want to type in gallery and search. Okay, now this is there's a secret. It's not a secret, but we don't want the wallpaper style gallery settings. We want the app gallery. So under apps gallery, we want to go into that. Okay, and this is where we're going to change some things. So mobile data, we're going to disable allow background data usage. We don't need that on. It doesn't need to be uploading things to people that we don't want. So there's setting number 1. Number 2, appear on top. We want to turn this off. The permission allows an app to show things on top of other apps you're using. This may interfere with your use of other apps, so we don't need that on. So turn that off. Then let's see. We will go to battery. This is number 3, and we're going to go restrict battery usage while this app is running in the background. The app may not work as expected, and notifications may be delayed. There's nothing on this that has to be in the background. It works just fine as is, so it doesn't need to have any battery usage in the background. When you're using the app, that's when you need to have the things that the gallery app does when you're using it, not in the background. Okay, so that's 3, and this is 4. So we're going to go into, let's see here. We're going to go into gallery settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, about gallery, and then your version. You want to tap that multiple times, and at the bottom now, Gallery Labs is enabled. Okay, so we want to take this and close Gallery Labs. Now when we go to Gallery Labs, go to settings. If you scroll all the way down, there's a new section called Gallery Labs. Okay, now in this, you want to be careful what you turn on and off. There's a lot of neat stuff here that you can use. If you know how to use it, great. Put a link in the description. The one that I'm after, that I use the most, is save as a PDF. So instead, like it says, making a PDF file with images, create, save as PDF after selecting images. So you can save it as a PDF instead of going through another app and doing it in a roundabout way. You can save it right in your gallery as a PDF. This might be a pretty good option as well. Print multiple pictures. Print multiple pictures on Pictures tab. So that's probably going to print more than 1 picture at a time. So if you have 5 pictures, it's going to be 5 pictures on 1 page. It's going to be pretty small, but it's that option. And then there's tons of other options here that you can go through. And like I said, be careful what you're typing or turning on and off, because it can mess things up and then you won't know why and whatever. So okay, so that is my video on the changing of the gallery app. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.